Backup and recovery. Backup and recovery is one of the major important tasks done by database administrator or DBA. First, we have to discuss about the strategies. What are the strategies available for us for managing the database recovery? First, we will discuss about the what exactly backup and recovery means, or what are the basic concepts required for the database recovery, and then we will discuss the its two layers. First is called physical, and the other called logical. Backup and recovery is the basically set of concepts, procedures, processes, and steps and tasks through which we can manage the basic recovery options from the backup that we have already taken it. In general purpose, backup recovery is basically to protect the lost data and the data which is basically going to be lost later on or before that one, how we can manage those things. Backup is basically a copy of data. Copy of data means that existing database system, if we take the backup, if we take the copy of your backup from the existing database and we can store in somewhere in some files, or maybe we can take those files in which data is stored and we can take that data particular and keep it somewhere else. So these are the various things that we can manage during the backup. Backup lost file exists, or similarly we can say you can restore the data and then you can recover it. So this is how you can manage the backup and recovery. Backup and recovery is basically divided into two portions or two concepts or strategic value point of view. We can say that the first is called physical backup and the other one is called logical backup. So in the physical backup, we normally save the files like control files, archive files, data files, init aura files, and redo log files. So these files are basically part of the physical database. So based on this one, we can say that whether on disk or some offline storage. Logical backup contains logical data, for example, tables, stores, sequences, packages. So all the logical objects available on schema, basically those will be considered as a logical. So logical will be considered later on. We will discuss about the import, export kind of things, data pump. We can say import pump and export pump kind of options. Similarly, we can say partial backup like we can take the logical backup in the form of table spaces or individual tables or the schema. So these are basically related with the logical backup. Physical backup is basically a foundation, any backup and storage. Logical backup uses supplementary for the physical one. Means that it is good to have a physical database and we must have a logical as well. Sometimes we face the problems during physical, so those problems can be captured from the logical or vice versa as well. So it is good professional practice that we should take both backup, so for any kind of inconvenience and problem in either of them can be managed properly with the help of dual kind of backup. Just recently we have discussed about the strategies, what exactly backup is managed, how what exactly and how managed backup and recovery can be managed, and the two types of backups are normally managed. So first is called physical backup and the other one is called logical backup. For that particular purpose, we can say that we should see that which are the files available for us. For example, we have installed Oracle in Oracle 11g, and then we can say that we have administration portion, and we have here product and further more options available. But we should go to those files which are basically important for our database physical backup. So if you go to Aura data and within the Aura data, if your database name is called ORCL or whatever the name you have suggested during your installation, so we should go there and we will see that these files are available. So these are the basically data files. Those files can be taken as a backup. We have a system file as well which used for the sys user, and similarly we have, for example, one of the data file is called user01 .dbf. So we can take these files along with control files and along with the redo log files as well. So this is the location where we have physical data files exist. Although we have other files as well, like on init Aura files and some other files available, those files are available within the product, and in the version we should go to see those files in, for example, in RDBMS, and within the RDBMS we can see those files, and those files is basically related with the init files and aura file as well, and we may have a trace files as well, and those files can be taken from here. So we will do these steps in incoming modules, how to manage these files.